Hello everyone, welcome back to the DevSecOps channel. It's great to reconnect with you all. Today we will be boosting your coding productivity by bringing the AI intelligence directly into your local IDE. We will install the open source continue plugin in VS Code to easily bridge the LLM models. So we will ask Gemini to instantly generate a Python script that reads a CSV file and plots the math into a clean Matplotlib chart. Let's deep dive into action. Now we have installed the Visual Studio Code. So I'm just searching for I'm just showing you the overall structure, and this is the plugin one, and you can install the plugin over here. So the plugin we are going to install is a continue. So continue plugin is you can connect to various large language models like OpenAI, Gemini, Claude. So this is just an introduction. I mean, it will just say you what is continue. Just click the install one. Okay. So it will take some time. There might be cases like you need to restart the Visual Studio Code. So once it's done, an icon will be appearing in the left hand sidebar. It's yeah, this one, the continue. If you click that one, yes, you have this one. The the chat will be opening here, and then you can select the model. Okay, currently no model is configured. You can add the chat model. If you add it, see provider, OpenAI and models, everything will be listed like Azure and Mistral, Olama and Anthropic. No, everything will be listed over here. For this demo we'll be using a Gemini, and free version we can use like a Flash version. Yeah, so all models are there, whichever. So it is a free one, and then if you click here, it will just ask you to generate a token, a key. So it's just a Gmail is needed, that's it. Okay, you can copy the key from here, just copy the key over here, and we can able to copy it and paste it here and then connect it. So we need to configure it, right? So we need to configure the model or add the model in this connect, right? So just connect it, and then a config file will be generated over here. I just mask the API key, so it should be the key whichever you entered in, and then you just save the file. That's it. Okay, so it will be pretty much easy for configuring this one. So now the connectivity is being established. Okay, now again, okay, we shall see the Gemini 2.5 Flash has been displaying over here, and then now you can type in. Okay, now the next step is we would write a Python program. Okay, write a Python program, reads the CSV file, calculates the average, max, min, and shows the result in a chart using the Matplotlib. I'm just asking the Gemini. Okay, from here in this IDE, yes, it's asking what's the name of your CSV file and which column do you want to analyze, right? So for me, it's like a name I will enter in, and then I want to analyze the price column. So it will create the files for me. Okay, see, it has created the file. Accept it, create the file, or accept it, anything you can click on that, and then a file will be created, the CSV file. No, this program, the Python program, next will the Python program it will generate. Okay, so see, it's generating the Python program. Accept it, and a file will be created over there. Okay, a Python file is there and the CSV file is there. Now virtual environment, so I believe you guys should be having a virtual environment. So it's env been activated and just be for a virtual environment. So this Python is allowing me to install pandas and Matplotlib. So these are the modules which I need to install in order to run this program. Okay, pandas and Matplotlib. Okay, so pip install. The reason why virtual environment we are using confined to this demo, I mean to this project. Okay, so I'm running the program and it's showing error. Okay, just copy and paste it. I mean, but in real life, just try to understand why this error is there. I just, for a demo, I'm just showing it. Okay, then it will just try to modify the program. It's telling it will modify the program, and then you accept it. Okay, and then at least the error will be clear. What we are gonna try, what we are missing in here. So Python plot prices, again you run. Yeah, now it's showing unable attempting to read file is not there. Raw content, no content is there, but content is there, but I did not save the file. Okay, sorry, save it. Now it should run. So graph should be generated soon. Yeah, here we go. A graph is generated like a price analysis. What we have given a analysis for the price, and min, max, and the average is being displayed over here. Okay, so yeah, that's the overall project demo. I just want to show you guys. So the main reason for this one is like no, effectively using the AI tools. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos related to DevOps and real world projects. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video.